Before matching, please check if the original car's OBD port has any other device plugged in. If so, please unplug it and restore the original car OBD connector. Then, take the original car key out of the vehicle. After taking the original car key out of the vehicle, open the driver's door. Open the driver's door and make sure all other doors are closed. Press the main unit's learning button 8 times consecutively. The unit will beep twice to confirm code learning. After the unit beeps twice, wait for it to beep for more times. After the unit beeps 4 times, the dashboard will turn on. Wait for the vehicle to start automatically. Once the vehicle has started, wait for the original car buzzer to sound once. After the first beep, the original car buzzer will sound twice. After the 2 beeps, wait for the vehicle to turn off automatically. After the engine turns off, the left and right turn signals will flash simultaneously and the door locks will operate to unlock, indicating that the matching is complete. Turn off the engine. The door locks operate.